Good evening, everybody. So we have a little something different for you tonight. I usually, as a rule, I don't run the camera at work much. My employer asked me if I wanted to video something we were working on for the company. I said, "No, what the hell?" So got some footage of kind of what I do in my day-to-day on the job. It's not nothing spectacular. There's no explanation, but I thought maybe some of you would enjoy seeing part of what I do in the day-to-day. And if you guys like it, I could throw some more in there when I'm working alone and I don't have customers around. So anyway, without further ado, here's a boiler install that we have been working on. I feel these fittings are shaking nice. Yep.
Nice. What do you want to do with the back? You're going to put an elbow on too?
What's that, bud?
You're going to put an elbow on back? You're going to put that piece in by itself.
So there you have it. There's a little bit of the day-to-day routine. Usually a lot of my job, I'm running the meter, doing a lot of troubleshooting, things like that. I do a lot of boiler work, a lot of refrigeration. Mentioned that before on the channel. I'll get some more of this here and there if you guys like it. The pipes I was sweating was 3-inch copper pipes. It was a number 5 tip on a turbo torch. In case anybody was curious, just soldering. Do a lot of soldering. I know soldering is one of those things that a lot of people have a lot of trouble with, so eventually we may put a little tutorial out on that. Like I said, I try to avoid bringing my work life into the YouTube stuff just because it's, you know, I'm more geared to what you guys see me doing out here. The day job is what I do to pay the bills, and this is more what I do out here, what I do on YouTube. That's more for the soul more than anything. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. Also coming up soon, probably within the next couple of days, we're going to have we'll have our Wednesday rewind. We will have, let's see, I'm going to do an overview video on the planer stand build while it's still fresh in my mind. So basically all those videos that we did on the planer stand where we had a lot of the explanation, stuff like that, we're going to do just a video kind of taking all those steps without all the detail and explanation. Just the good, we'll take the best of the camera shots and it'll give you kind of a, it'll show the planer stand from start to finish in a condensed down version. We did that with the barn videos and they went very well. I kind of enjoyed them. I think there was 5 of them because on the barn videos we covered almost 2 years of a build in 5 videos, and I think in the timber framing blog there's 158 videos, something like that. So, you know, geez, only 158. What the hell are the rest of the videos on? I guess if you're new to the channel you'll have to go through and find out. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this one, guys. I'll see you on the next one.